everybody, and welcome back, guys. We're back out here on the intercoastal for Port 2. Let's see if we can't catch no blue cats. Y'all stay tuned. First fish of the day, guys. My wife got a fish. Well, I'm gonna help her out and reel it in. First fish of the day. You got it? Look it up. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Bring it over here. Show the camera. You got it in the rocks. Turn them. Look at that, guys. That's a nice blue cat. Nice big blue cat. All right. First fish, guys. My wife got one, and I got one. She had the first one. This is the second fish of the day for me. Well, first fish for me, second in the thing. And we both take it. Got the hold yours up. It's like we both caught one. If y'all can see that, we both caught it. There's a nice yacht coming. Y'all see that? Oh yeah, that's a nice cat. I'm gonna turn the camera. Let's turn the camera to the yacht. Check that out. Look at a nice yacht. Like it got two jet skis on it. That's pretty yacht. But anyway, you got one. Second one of the day in the box. We gotta get this undone. I'm gonna turn the camera down going. After we're done. So stay tuned. Fish number 3. Looking to be a good day. This little guy's a little bit smaller. Little small nugget. Little nugget. Not bad, not bad. Turn it up. Oh yeah. There you go. Number 3. We'll go ahead and release this guy now. Coming out to play. He's not yanking. I'm not going to call him a Yankee because he's not yanking. She got another one, guys. I think the fish are coming out to play for real. This is number 4 in the box. It's a little bit bigger than my last one. So we each caught 2 big ones. And then I caught me a small nugget, and she caught a medium nugget. So, we getting them. We getting them. This is what you want to do. I'm going to do the pliers for this guy. Because you don't want them to sting you. That was good. I want you to bring it over here. Put the food in. Wait, no, you show them the hook. And the hook she's using, guys, she's using a circle hook. So it's easier for the blue cats to get it. You have to go down. See the circle hook, guys? It's easier for the catfish to swallow. So this is hers. Number 4. Guys, it's a double. It's a double. Oh, I got a little nugget. It's a double. Look at that. Look at that. They biting, guys. She got one. She got one. Oh, that's a big one. That's a double. Pull it up. Bring it over here so we can see. Oh, it's a double. Look. It's a double fish. Look at that. That's not right. How come she catches a big fish and I only catch a small one?
It's called light up pink pole.
Maybe I have to swap down the pink pole. What y'all think?
With the light up.
Look how pretty that is. Yeah. Man. Look at that. A double hookup. That's a first for me. Alright, guys. Grab that. Hook them up and put a new shrimp on. Fish on. I'm not going to lose. How many drop? Another nice cat, guys. Another nice cat. They're really active once again. Like I said, really active. This is the 3rd one I catch today. This big. So catching a lot of yanks. Big yanks. Y'all stay tuned. Got him another one. Woo! That's a nice one. Hold it up. There you go. Hold it up. Let's see. There you go. You want to take it off? They catching. It slowed down a little bit, but now they're picking back up, guys. Look at all that scrap on that boat. It's a lot of iron. Or you bring that and you go scrap that and you make a lot of money over that. Hold it up, babe. Show everybody. That's a nice one. That's a real nice one. Alright, we'll go ahead and take the hook out for her. We'll be right back.